In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reuse slides in Google Slides. Reusing slides is a quick way to build consistent, polished presentations without starting from scratch. You'll pull in exactly what you need from another deck and keep your flow moving. Start by opening the destination presentation, which is the file where you want the reused slides to appear. Make sure you're in the correct file before you import anything, since the slides you bring in will be added directly to this presentation. Next, go to the File menu at the top left and choose Import Slides. This opens the Import Slides window, which is where you'll browse for the presentation that contains the slides you want to reuse. You can search by title, scroll through recent files, or navigate your drive to find it. If the file is shared with you, it should still appear here as long as you have permission to view it. Once you select the source presentation, you'll see thumbnails of all its slides. This is your preview area. Click Individual Thumbnails to pick only the slides you need. If you're bringing in everything, click the All option to select the full set. Taking a moment to preview helps you avoid importing duplicates or content that's out of date. Before you import, look for the option labeled Keep Original Theme. Turn this on if you want the imported slides to retain their original fonts, colors, and layouts. Turn it off if you'd rather have those slides adopt the theme of your current presentation, which keeps your deck visually consistent. If your goal is a seamless look, matching the destination theme is often best. If preserving exact formatting matters, keeping the original theme is the way to go. When your selection and theme choice are set, click Import Slides. Google Slides will bring the chosen slides into your current presentation. They'll appear immediately, and you can move them around by dragging in the left sidebar to place them exactly where they belong. If a layout looks slightly off, use the Apply Layout or Theme tools to tidy things up. That's normal when merging content from different sources. And that's it. You've reused slides in just a few clicks. Open the destination presentation, go to File and Import Slides, choose your source, select the slides you need, decide whether to keep the original theme, and import. This simple workflow saves time, keeps your content consistent, and helps you build presentations faster with fewer formatting headaches.